Electric bikes are becoming increasingly popular as they provide a more refined cycling experience with assistance, allowing them to tackle hills and headwinds and cover longer distances with ease. And if you are looking for one without spending hours on the internet, here we have picked the 10 most innovative electric bikes available today in this video. You know that feeling when you hop on a bike and just want to go? Well, get ready to experience that freedom like never before with the Velotric Discover 2, an e-bike powerhouse built to thrill riders of any size up to 440 pounds. This beast pushes boundaries by unleashing incredible power and performance from its proprietary torque sensor technology. Its beastly 750 watts motor peaks at 1,100 watts to conquer even the steepest hills with ease, made smoother thanks to cruise control. And we're not just talking power. This motor packs a massive 75 Newton-meter of torque, blowing most other models out of the water. Imagine accelerating with the force of a rocket, yet maintaining a buttery smooth ride thanks to the torque sensor's 15 power curves from 12 to 28 miles per hour. But power means nothing without range, right? That's why it is equipped with a UL 2271 certified battery using premium Samsung LG cells. In fact, the entire bike and components are UL listed for unbeatable safety. The battery will take you up to 75 miles on a single charge while being IPX7 waterproof, and the e-bike is backed by a 150% ISO 4210 test for total peace of mind. From the adjustable stem to the color display, integrated lights with turn signals, and Apple Find My, every detail elevates your experience. With over 500 partner stores across the US, unlock the ultimate e-bike experience with this Class 1, 2, and 3 e-bike. Now, here comes the sleek and comfortable Priority e-Coast. This electric bike is the ultimate wingman that will make your daily ride a breeze, with no sweat stains required. With its belt drive system, you can ditch the wrench and focus on the ride. And let's talk about style. The e-Coast's frame geometry and adjustable stem will have you sitting upright and comfy like a true diva on her throne. But wait, there's more. This bike comes equipped with a dual-control Priority 500-watt rear hub motor that'll give you the power to conquer the streets like a boss. Plus, with the variable pedal assist cadence sensor and twist throttle, you can ride with the fullest confidence. Oh, and have you seen that sleek integrated battery? It gives you a clean and streamlined look that'll turn heads and make you the talk of the town. The Le Mans Prologue is a masterpiece of engineering, a high-performance electric bike that embodies the perfect balance between speed and lightweight design. From the carefully crafted carbon fiber frame to the custom-forged monocoque handlebar stem, every inch of this bike is optimized for performance and efficiency. Weighing in at a mere 26 pounds, it is the lightest electric bike in its class, making the bike the perfect companion for long rides or daily commutes. And with a range of up to 70 miles, you can explore your surroundings with complete freedom and confidence. Powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor, the Prologue provides seamless assistance of up to 20 miles per hour, allowing you to easily tackle any hill or incline. Plus, the custom carbon fiber fenders and seat posts ensure a comfortable and stylish ride, making the Le Mans Prologue the ultimate choice for any discerning cyclist. Next up, we have the Trek Verve Plus, a perfect bike for city riders who want comfort, convenience, and a little extra boost when they need it. With its upright riding position, you'll feel comfortable and in control, even on the busiest streets. And when you need that extra boost to get up a hill or power through a headwind, the Bosch 250-watt motor has got your back. With 40 Newton-meters of torque, this bike can sustain speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for zipping around town on errands or taking leisurely cruises on the weekend. The bike features a Bontrager satellite city pedal that provides a stable and comfortable platform for your feet, while the integrated lights keep you visible and safe in low light conditions. And when the weather turns rainy, the fenders will keep you and your bike clean and dry. Here we have the Pivot's Shuttle LT, a proper race-ready and well-refined electric MTB. The new Shuttle LT is the next generation hypermodel of the Pivot's engineering family. So, it has Pivot's original DNA, a deadly combination of link suspension and proprietary carbon molding technology. It has a high-quality 160mm rear and 170mm suspension system that makes for a smooth and comfortable ride. And with the largest battery capacity of 756 watt-hours, the Shuttle LT will be the one to give up. The ultimate power to win over any hills or terrain comes from a Shimano EP8 motor. The new geometry yields a stiffer and lighter frame with a more progressive shock rate, making the Shuttle LT a solid choice to tame your thrills. The Z series of Super 73 is popular among e-bike enthusiasts. ZX is the larger version of Z1 that is engineered by taking the best features from the first model, Z1, and built from ground zero. Its lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame is home to a convenient 615-watt removable battery and a 750-watt efficient motor that can produce 1,200-watt peak power. ZX comes in 4 subtle colors to excite the riders and raise eyebrows. Furthermore, each bike comes pre-programmed with multi-class ride modes for different kinds of usage and different kinds of users. Lastly, it has a handy dynamic display that can be connected to Super 73's app on riders' smartphones so that riders can always track their performance, riding profile, and other important insights. Now it's time to tame your mountain biking craving with the Yeti 160e. This electric bike is a proper EMTB that did not compromise on anything to discount a thrilling experience. With a brand new upgraded suspension platform with 160mm Fox factory rear shocks developed specifically for the heavy demands of mountain biking. This system brings unprecedented tunability, speed, and performance to the 160e. The carbon fiber frame with internally tunneled cable routing keeps the whole design language clean yet aggressive. More importantly, the weight remains on the minimum side, so you can ride for longer hours without draining too much energy. If you're the kind of person who seeks style, comfort, and durability in one single bike, this Honbike Uni 4 is made for you. With its smooth and comfortable riding experience, you'll feel like you're gliding in the air. This e-bike boasts 250 watts of power, meaning you'll get a smooth and powerful ride every time. Plus, the Uni 4 has a built-in gyroscope and uphill assist feature that lets you conquer any hill and steeper slopes. And if you're worried about getting caught in the rain, fear not. The Honbike Uni 4 is highly water resistant with an IPX6 rating. And let's not forget about the battery life. With a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge, you'll be able to go on a biking adventure without worrying about running out of juice. The future of e-bikes with advanced AI technology is here, and it's called FreeTech e-bike. With the perfect blend of technology and innovation, FreeTech is more than just a machine that transports you from one place to another. From intelligent lighting to crash detection, safety, and security, this is a feature-packed e-bike that will turn heads. It comes with complete surround sensors alongside front and back cameras that are hidden inside the futuristic design of FreeTech. But even with these fantastic features, the showstopper is its removable graphene lithium battery. This battery is an ultra-lightweight one that takes only 15 minutes to charge fully. The Cyrusha XF900 is a motorcycle-inspired electric bike that is both unique and practical. This e-bike comes with top-of-the-line features like full suspension, fat tires, a higher capacity battery for more range, and a flagship Bafang motor. Its distinctive motorcycle-style front forks add great looks while eating up the rough and harsh road bumps. At the heart of this bike, there is a powerful 750-watt Bafang electric motor with 48-volt lithium-ion battery, combining to excite riders with great speed and range. The huge fat tires provide a greater center of gravity to take the bike even on the most daring routes, where riders can enjoy the raw power of the XF900 and the beauty of the surroundings. So that concludes our list of 10 most innovative electric bikes available today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, Comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.